sensitive on such an occasion when we have
continue our state council meeting, but then we have decided to call urgently a press conference to express some of our views about what is happening in Manipur. At the outset, we express our serious concern about the abduction of women and children by the Kuki group, and we demand immediate release of them without any harm. They should be returned to their respective home peacefully, because this situation cannot continue a democratic country. Enough is enough. People of Manipur are really very much tired. And moreover, when there is no political solution in sight, then suddenly the central government once again introduced this Armed Forces Special Power Act. And you know that how Manipuri people opposed this act, this draconian law earlier. And I should say that the credit goes to all those days, the Manipuri women, along with also our party, because our party raised this issue very seriously in the state, also in the national level. So finally, this draconian law was withdrawn. Now, from center, they declare in 6 districts this law. That means they are also not respecting the federal character of our constitution. While the state can impose this law, they have that power. Why center is sitting in Delhi imposing this law without respecting the state right and the federal character of our constitution? An imposition of such draconian law proves once again that center has miserably failed to bring any political solution on monetary issues. Rather, they want to suppress these whole issues through military means. We are condemning such kind of act, and we have decided that immediately, within 1 or 2 days, we will organize some demonstration before because we don't recognize Chief Minister, to be honest. So we have decided we will organize this demonstration before the Governor House. And once again, we are going to request Governor to call all party meetings from both sides, if possible, to at least to bring peace and tranquility in Manipur, and then to follow other issues. Because first priority is the peace. Otherwise, you cannot have any solution. And on behalf of our party, we have a humble request to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a tragic thing for Indian people, that we had such a Prime Minister who is very busy to solve the problem between Russia and Ukraine. So he visited twice in 1 year, but he doesn't get any chance to visit his own country's one state which is burning and where situation is worsening day by day. So our party has decided and also discussing that how to overcome these issues. Because demanding resignation, demanding or criticizing Prime Minister, of course it is our right as a political party. But at the same time, we do believe that we have to offer, after BJP and Congress, we are the most organized party in Manipur, having a tradition of struggles and sacrifice, and having a leader like Comrade Jananeta Irawat. We have to offer some solution. Not only demanding something, not only condemning something, but we have to offer some solution. And we hope, we started to discuss going from the past about the annexation of Manipur. From there till now, whatever happening in Manipur, we are seriously discussing, and we do believe that we can come out with a appropriate solution. I don't know whether it will be accepted by all or not. At least to present a solution before the Manipuri people. So only these three things I just wanted to tell before you. And of course we are now going to have our 100th anniversary foundation of Communist Party of India, and we are also preparing to have this function in a big way, and next year we will have our party congress also. So we are also discussing and finalizing the schedule for branch conference, local conference, district conference and state conference. That is the organizational part. But the political part is that immediately we have to be in the street to demand the return of these women and children. Then also withdrawal of this draconian law, because it will not be effective at all to find a solution in Manipur situation, because Manipuri people have had a big experience with this draconian law. So this much.
So, sir, what is the offer as a party? What is your stand to solve this problem?
Just I said that we are really seriously discussing, and for that we already had one meeting with the leading intellectual of Manipur from both sides, and we are behind the scene trying to speak with more intellectuals, historians, to find appropriate solution. And one thing I just wanted to tell you, that we don't believe that when the problems start in Manipur, today it remain in that stage. No, there are many foreign powers are also involved in the whole issues. And we took note of the Chief Minister of Mizoram, his speech in USA. We don't take